Children, now I'll start 9th class portion, real numbers. So before going to do that one, let me talk about the proverb, what I have done here. The proverb that I am doing it here is, pride brings you low. Pride brings you low. What is the meaning of this, children? Pride. Pride means, I can say, overconfidence. That means having a strong feeling that I am great, I know everything, I have got all this, so I can go to the exam and write pretty well. In fact, when you go to the exam, you cannot answer well, you don't get good marks. The reason is that overconfidence will pull you down, even among your peer group. If you keep on boasting that I know this, I know that, I can't do that very easily, these people are unable to do. If they would have asked me, I would have helped them. This kind of people, some people keeps on talking like this. But when you observe, one day or the other, the people will come to know that what this fellow is saying is not correct. He is saying because he is having a lot of pride upon it. Even if he has done little bit also, he is boasting himself a lot. So we should not be with him. Let us go away from him. So in this way, you will become alone if you don't have any friendship among yourselves. And your mind will not properly function, children, when you feel that you know everything. Mind should always accept that what we know is less. We have to learn more. Learning process is a continuous process. If in case if the mind accepts it, yes, I need to learn this, I need to learn that, then 100% its efficiency will be there, then success will be yours. If you keep on thinking that, yes, I know this, then mind will not have that, means it cannot work 100%. So the result will be a loss for you. Okay, let us come back to the exercise sums in real numbers. We are talking about operation of numbers. In this operation of numbers, we are starting with example 13. Example 13. What is this example 13, children? You have to check whether first bit 5 root 2. Second bit 5 by root 2. Third bit 21 plus root 3. And fourth bit pi plus 3 are rational or irrational. You have to find out whether they are irrational numbers or rational numbers. So here you should have a knowledge about these values, children. Root 2. Root 2 value is 1.414. It goes on like this. This is 5 by root 2. And root 3. Root 3 value is 1.732. Goes on like this. And pi value is 3.142. 3.14, you can take it as 141, you take 1415, you will get it like this. These are all the values of root 2, root 3 and root 5. Okay. Now, let us talk about first bit. 5 root 2 means 5 into 1.414, so on. So 5 4s are 20, 5 1s are 5, 6, 7, 5 4s are 20, 5 1s are 5, 7. Here 3 digits, so here you will get so on. 7.0707, so on. What is the meaning of it, children? It is non repeating. And what else? It is non-repeating and also non-terminating. Non-terminating. When it is non-repeating and non-terminating, we will say that it is an irrational number. Why is it irrational? Because all irrational numbers are non-repeating, means the answers will not be repeating. And also non-terminating means remainder will not be 0 under any circumstances. So it is an irrational number. Second one, 5 by root 2. Denominator root 2, you can rationalize this, children. Multiply the numerator and denominator by root 2. You are getting 5 by 2. 5 root 2 by 2 you will be getting. This procedure is called rationalizing the denominator. You are making the denominator is irrational. You are rationalizing it. How? By multiplying the same number. When you are multiplying the number there, the same thing you have to multiply in the numerator also. So, root 2 by root 2 you have done. 5 into root 2, 5 root 2 by 2. So, already we have written 5 root 2 value 7.070 so on by 2. Then what are you getting, children? 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. It is going on like this. That means the same answer it is. Non-repeating, non-terminating. Therefore, it is irrational. Third bit. 21 plus root 3. That means 21 plus, what is root 3? 1.732 so on. So what are you getting, children? 22.732 so on. 21 plus 1, 22.732. So it is also non-repeating and non-terminating. Therefore, it is irrational. So, see children, one more sum is there. I will do it afterwards. There is no place for me to do. I will do the next one in the next after WBS. Now, we will go to the fourth bit. What is the fourth bit? Fourth bit here is pi plus 3. What is pi value? 3.141 so on. Plus 3 means what, children? 6.141 so on. So it is non-repeating, non-terminating. Therefore, it is irrational. So the given numbers all are irrational only. They are not rational. Right also. Now, we will go to the next one. The next one is example 40. let us see what is this. Example 40. You have to subtract 5 root 3 plus 7 root 5 from 3 root 5 minus 7 root 3. 3 root 5 minus 7 root 3. So after from we have to write first. So 3 root 5 minus 7 root 3 minus 5 root 3 plus 7 root 5. You have to put it in bracket. This is nothing but 3 root 5 minus 7 root 3 minus into plus minus 5 root 3 minus into plus minus 7 root 5. So write like terms together. That means 3 root 5 minus 7 root 5 minus 7 root 3 minus 5 root 3. Okay, now how much you are getting? 3 root 5 minus 7 root 5. So here you will be getting minus 4 root 5. 7 minus 3 is 4, 7 is having minus sign, so minus 4. Both of them are having minus, so you have to add 7 and 5. 12 root 3. Or minus of, you can take even 4 as common, minus 4 into root 5 minus 3 root 3. Even like this you can write, children, because the 4 is common. You have taken minus, so it becomes plus. Or simply you can take minus sign out, 4 root 5 plus 12 root 3. They have given in the book this as the answer. Even this can be considered as the answer because both of them are having 4 as common. I can even take 4 out. So this is your 14th assumption. Copy. Example 14. Now let us go for example 15. What is this example 15? Multiply. Multiply 6 root 3 and 13 root 3. That means what, children? 6 root 3 into 13 root 3. So first integral part, this 6 and 13 you can multiply. 6 and 13 into root 3 into root 3. So how much you are going to get, children? 13 6 are 78 into root 3 into root 3 is 3. So how much you will get? 3 8 are 24, 3 7 are 21, 23. 234 is the answer for this problem, children. So multiplication is there. You have to multiply each and every term. So 6 root 13 into 30, 6 root 3 into 13 root 3 means 60. 6 into 13 you multiply root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is nothing but 3. So 78 into 3, 234. This is your answer. Now let us see the next one, children. The next one is about properties. You have got certain properties related to square roots. So let us see what are the properties. The first one, root AB is nothing but root A into root B. And second one, root of A by B is nothing but root A by root B. If you want to separate these roots. Now The third property is root a plus root b into root a minus root b. See children, how is it? This is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. Therefore, root a plus root b into root a minus root b is equal to root a whole square minus root b whole square. This is nothing but a minus b. This is the solution that we will be getting it here, children. Next. Root a, third one, a minus b we got, and fourth one, a plus root b into a minus root b. Again, it is nothing but a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Therefore, a plus root b into a minus root b is equal to a square minus root b whole square, that is a square minus b. This is what you are going to get for it. Next, fifth one, root a plus root b into root c plus root d. Here you cannot use any formula, children, direct multiplication. So with root a you multiply this, that means root a into c root ac plus into plus plus root a into root d root ad. Okay, again plus into plus plus root b into c root bc plus root bd. This is your answer for fifth bit, children. Now when you go to the sixth bit, root a, I'll do 6th and 7th very clearly afterwards. Just copy this up to 5 problems that I have, 5 formulae I have done. Now we will go to the next one, 6th one. Now, what is this 6th bit? Root a plus root b whole square. We know that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So root a plus root b whole square is equal to root a whole square plus 2 into root a into root b plus root b whole square. So root a whole square is a plus 2 root ab plus b. This is the answer for this property, children. Then the 7th property is under root a plus b plus 2 root ab. This can be written as, children, under root a can be written as root a whole square plus b can be written as root b whole square plus 2 root ab. How is it, children? This is in this form, expansion form. That means what, children? Root of root a plus root b whole square. So whole square and this will get cancelled. Root a plus root b is the answer for this property. So root of a plus b plus 2 under root ab is nothing but root a plus root b. Copy this, children. Next, we will go to example 16. Example 16. Simplify. You have to simplify the given ones. What is the first one? 3 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 2. How will you do, children? You have to take 3 plus root 3. With 3 you multiply these two. 3 2s are 6 plus 3 root 2. Root 2 plus 2 root 3 plus 2 3s are 6. With 3 2s are 6. 3 root 2. Root 3 into 2, 2 root 3. Root 2 into root 3, root 6. So, this is your answer. 6 plus 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 plus root 6 is your answer for the first bit. And second bit, 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. We know that a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So, 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3 is equal to 2 square minus root 3 whole square, that is 4 minus 3. What is 4 minus 3, children? 1 is the answer. Next, you have got third bit. The third bit is root 5 plus root 2 whole square. A plus b whole square means a square plus 2ab plus b square. So, root 5 plus root 2 whole square is, in the place of a, you have to write root 5. So, root 5 whole square plus 2 into root 5 into root 2 plus root 2 whole square, b square. So, root 5 whole square is 5 plus 2 root 5 2s are 10 plus 2. That means 5 plus 2, 7 plus 2 root 10 is the answer for this problem. 7 plus 2 root 10. Then fourth bit. Root 5 minus root 2 into root 5 plus root 2. Again, a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So, root 5 minus root 2 into root 5 plus root 2 is equal to root 5 whole square minus root 2 whole square. Root 5 whole square is 5 minus root 2 whole square is 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. This is your answer, children. This is about example 16. Please copy it. Your algebraic expressions formulae you are using to solve these sums. Now, example 16 we have completed. Now, we are going to next example, that is example 17. In example 17, what is asked, children, here? You have to find square root of 5 plus 2 root 6. Find square root of 5 plus 2 root 6 can be written as 5 plus 2 root 6 can be written as, see children, root 6 can be written as 3 2s are. So, you can write 3 plus 2 plus 2 root 6. That means root 3 plus root 2. So, you can take 5. This is all under square root means root of. Square root of, they said no, root of. So, what you are getting? Square root of 5 can be written as, 5 can be written, no, don't write root, children. 5 can be written as 3 plus 2 plus 3 can be written as root of 3 can be written as root 3 whole square plus 2 can be written as root 2 whole square plus 2 into root 3 into root 2. If you expand, root 3 whole square is 3, root 2 whole square is 2, 2 into 3 2 is 6. So, this is what children, root of, what are you getting? Root 3 plus root 2 whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So, square root and this will get cancelled. The answer is root 3 plus root 2 is the answer. It's a very, very important sum, children. I hope you have understood. So, I will stop your class here. Remaining, I will do it in the next class.